Hi, I'm Mike, and I'm going to give you a quick run around the Ezoic user interface, or UI as we call it. Note, we're using one of the test sites we have, and we haven't enrolled in Google Partnership, so ignore all of the content and the partnership program, and I'm just going to literally talk you around the user interface. So you find the UI settings here in the toolbar, and you'll see you've got Ezoic on and off, optimization, menu, logo, caching, ad types, max ads per page, ad categories, top images or header images, and templates. So I'm going to take you through them one by one, and we'll start with turn Ezoic on and off. So if you want to turn off testing at any stage, it's the easiest thing to do is just to go in, choose the device you want to turn on or off. It could be desktop, tablet or mobile, and then just literally turn it on or off by using the push button. You can also adjust the percentage of visitors that see the old version of your site, and very straightforward. The bar will show you what percentage you've selected, and it's a simple case of pressing save changes and all your changes are done. Back into the settings area, optimization goals. This allows you to set the bias of the test. There are 4 sections: balanced, revenue focus, user experience focus, or custom. And essentially you can either choose one of these 3, or you can set the testing bias for yourself. And you can play with it as much as you like, but bear in mind that it will take time for traffic to make the decisions. So if you do adjust these things, then give it a little bit of time, otherwise you won't see any real benefit. But it does allow you to control the bias of the test and how the system makes decisions on your behalf. Okay, menu. This allows you to manage your menu. It's very straightforward. It's an easy way of adding menu items or rearranging them using a drag and drop situation. Very straightforward. And then as soon as you've finished rearranging, you simply save your changes, and then you're done. Very straightforward, very intuitive. Back into settings again, and here's where you manage your logo. So if you want to change your logo, you simply upload a file, and you can adjust the text as well. Generally speaking, once you've done this, unless you want to change your logo, then there's no need to really mess about too much with this setting. Okay, caching is more important. If you want to update certain pages more frequently, you'll be aware that we do cache pages to serve them more quickly from data centers. So the key is, if your pages update or a directory updates regularly, then you might want to add a caching rule, which you do here, and you simply type in the page or directory and select the frequency with which you want it to be updated, and then you add that caching rule. Very straightforward. Okay, back into settings, and now we're going to talk about advertising. Ad types, maximum ads per page, and ad categories. Ad types, this just allows you to select inline units or pop under ads, and it will tell you there the average kind of increase you can be expected if you want to use these or don't use them. Again, click in the check boxes and save your changes as you see fit. If you don't save, it won't take effect, so remember to save the changes before you exit out of the settings and into another area. Maximum ads per page, this allows you to choose the ad density. All of these categories are completely in compliance with our ad partners policies, so don't worry about that. Essentially, the more ads, the more money, but you do get to choose. Some people prefer to have fewer, and some people prefer to have a lot more. And you can either do it for one site or for all the sites associated in your account. So back out. This is quite important. Ad categories for people that maybe have educational sites or sites that they don't want to show certain types of categories on, like maybe dating or black magic. All of these standard categories that we see people liking or not liking, and it's a simple case of just turning them off to show or block, and then saving your changes. Again, either for one site or for all the sites in your account. Back into settings, we've now dealt with all the adverts. Now there's a couple more customization features which allow you to add some images into your headers, and you can either choose the images that we've uploaded for you, and there are quite a few of those, or you can simply go back and add your own. Very straightforward by using the upload image to your computer. And this way you get to test lots of different images and see which works best for your site. The final section I'm going to talk about today is your templates, and that's just a case of choosing whichever templates you want to test. Now you can either do fully automatic by selecting the automatically allow new templates and enable all the templates we've got. You see there are quite a lot of them, or you can go through them all and choose whichever ones you want to use. Okay, so that's pretty much a quick overview of the UI. You'll notice another button here which is advanced, which I'll take you through in the next video. Thanks very much.